Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear. I'm having fun with the song, and not whatever song. It's from Ariana Grande. I Hate That I Made You Love Me. That is a great title and great song. So we're gonna play this one with a capo on first, absolute best scenario. And before we move on with this tutorial, I need to highlight my new YouTube channel. It's called Guitar, but also 6 strings ago. Okay, so that is a channel where we're gonna focus on more classic songs from way back till the recent time, and we're gonna have a full playthrough there with chords shown on the screen, so you're just gonna follow along and play a song from A to Z and learn in that way. So I need your support there, guys. Okay, so thank you for everything. So I hope you can go there and subscribe to that channel, and now let's focus on this little song here. So capo on first. That is absolute best scenario because we have simple chords there and also that little melody going on. It's easy to play with that capo on. So let's focus on the 5 chords needed for the song. We're gonna start with A minor first, and that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have E minor next, and that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. F comes in third place here with this bar. You have this index finger placed on this first fret to push down all strings there as a bar. And then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. We have C next. That goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And then we have the C, B. That's basically a shift of bass note there. So you have this B note instead. So that gives us second A now. And then the rest is the same. Second D, open G, first B, and open E. So we have this main pattern played with the order of the chords in the same way we just learned them. So A minor, E minor, F, C, and C, B. You have 2 different ways of playing this. If you want to focus more on the beat, you're going to play like this with A minor. So one round is down, down, clap, down. Okay? And if you're gonna choose to go with that route, you're gonna follow along with all the other chords in the same way. So A minor, 2 string rounds of that. E minor, 2 string rounds. F, 2 string rounds. Then C1 and CB1. So it goes like this. Okay, so that is the main pattern here in the song. You can also choose to just neglect that clap and play it down instead. Okay, so what you do there is to just play like this. So replace that clap with a down, and that down you replace it with the third down. I like to play that on the higher strings down there, and all the other downs I play in the bass mid area. So it will be like this. Okay, so okay, so that is the main pattern. That is how you play. But then we have a break at like 2 minutes and 12 seconds in, and it's that timestamp if you watch the official lyric video. Okay, so what you're gonna play here is a melody. So you're gonna play like this. For 2 rounds, okay? So A minor part is to alternate the open A string and second D. You're gonna do that 3 times in this rhythm. Then you're gonna do the same with E minor, but the different notes now. You have the open E string as the bass notes, and you're gonna alternate that with the 2nd fret A. Then we have the F part. Again, the same principle here. Now the 2 notes are the 1st fret E string in the bass and 3rd fret A. And then we have a little bit different there in the ending between the C and the CB. You're going to play this for C. Sorry. Okay, so that will be 3rd fret A string, then open G, then back to 3rd A. That's the C part, and then you go to the CB part where you're going to play 2nd fret A string, open G, and 2nd fret A. And that's it. So the ending goes like this together. And then you start all over again for a 2nd round, 2 rounds of that. That's it. And then you're going to jump back to that main pattern of A minor, E minor, F, C, and CB and play that till the very end, guys. That is how you handle Ariana Grande's new song. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. And until next time, play tune.